I really enjoy branding in general because it's establishing an identity for an entity. Hello, my name is Jacob Wambacher, and I am the graphic designer for Woodgrain here in Boise. I'm excited to work here because there's so much opportunity. I get to do a variety of projects, from prototyping, packaging for new products, to redesigning existing marketing materials, to revising overarching branding systems and structures. When I think about creating new logos or new brands, it is always tied to, okay, who is the organization, or what is the organization wanting to be? The design is then the vehicle to communicate that. I'd say one of the biggest things that I've noticed at Woodgrain that sets it apart from its competitors has been its family-oriented working environment. Just everyone's very friendly. Because it's a family-owned company, you have this little bit of this small town feel, even though it stretches across the United States. The other thing I think that really does set it apart is the vertical integration, where we have control of the product and the materials from step one of the process all the way through. And so we have the ability to create the highest quality products and be able to say that because we know where everything's been along the way. That creates a difference, and a noticeable difference in the end product. A good brand will inherently kind of communicate subtly a lot of the person of the organization or company. And so I think I'm drawing inspiration from collaboration or my experience with the company or the research that I've done on the organization and the particular industry that we're doing graphic design for or branding for. And all of that then goes into creating the visuals that will communicate those ideas and those values of the organization.